Alright guys, I got a new permission and I literally have just started swinging this yard. And look what I popped up. First frickin' target. Look at this. Oh my God. I bet you this is silver, guys. I moved onto the yard. He gave me permission for the whole yard, so this is my next target out of the yard. Let's see what we got here. Seems to say something on it. Huh. I don't know what this thing is, guys. Whiz. Must be a little garter. Hey guys, I'm following along the wall here. It looks like I found a little button. Let's see what we got. Some kind of little button here. I don't know what it is really, but looks like it has something on it. I'll clean that up later and see what it's got on there, guys. All right, on to the next target. Right after that button, guys, look, found a lighter. Huh. Well, that's cool. Ooh, this one might be fancy, guys. Look at that. Wow. All right. Zippo. Ah, I found a Zippo, guys. Nice. This one's an older one, I think. Check that out. This is a 10-karat gold-filled Zippo I found. Fortunately, it's peeling off. Right there, it says Zippo 10K gold-filled. These were quite expensive back in the day. So, too bad it's all messed up. But it's a Zippo.